Hello and welcome dito sa Tiny Studios Live channel kung saan ay sinishare namin ang aming mga simple food and travel adventures in the hopes na makatulong if ever you guys want to try something new. And today, ang i-feature natin is something that very close to our hearts, especially sa aming mag-asawa. And it is Baguio's Foggy Mountain Cookhouse. If hindi mo pa ito natatry, stay tuned in para sa out of the ordinary experience pag bibisita kayo sa Baguio. And if na-try mo naman na, please share your experience sa comment section. So ano nga bang kakaiba sa Foggy Mountain Cookhouse at bakit ito out of the ordinary? So ang Foggy Mountain Cookhouse ay isang reservation-only dining experience. So, ang ibig sabihin ay kailangan mo munang magpa-reserve ng schedule and mamili ng food at least a day before para makakain kayo dito. And another thing that makes this out of the ordinary, kung mapapansin niyo sa video, it doesn't look like your typical restaurant. It's actually the house of Chef Babes, which is the owner of the restaurant. Nakakatuwang binuksan niya ang tahanan niya para mas maging komportable at feel at home ang dining experience mo. And actually, one time nag-dine-in kami doon and may nag-walk-in na couple and they're willing to serve them naman. Kaya lang, yung orders yata nila, wala yung available ingredients. Kaya hindi sila na-servan. So pag pupunta ka doon, might as well magpa-reserve ka na para di sayang effort mo. Tapos order ka ng mas masarap yan. Promise. Napaka-close nitong Foggy Mountain Cookhouse sa puso namin mag-asawa dahil nung honeymoon namin sa Baguio, isa to sa mga dining experience na tumatak sa amin. Sobrang natuwa kami kaya naman tuwing pupunta kami ng Baguio, kasama agad ito sa aming itinerary. At kung matsatsyempohan ninyo na nandun si Chef Babes, rest assured na ipaparamdam niya sa inyo na di kayo just customers but as kapamilya. Pinakilala pa nga niya kami dun sa isang guest, may-ari pala ng Baguio Brewery, kala namin si Johnny Depp. Ito nung nagkaanak na kami, 1-year-old pa lang si Tiny niyan. Hummus ulit.
Bebe, oh! She said this is pandesal.
Ay, tapos pandesal.
Sabi ka?
Malo. Ano na? Hindi, totoo lang. Sa totoo lang. Akala ko talaga kanina.
Ito naman nung bago mag-pandemic, kasama yung mga friends namin from work. Hummus ulit. I think 3 years old na si Tiny that time. What plant is this? Rosemary. Ito naman last year lang. Kasama si Tito Janly. Your house? You wanna go inside? Nakakatuwa lang makita na lumaki nilang si Tiny ng ganyan. Nakakakain pa rin kami sa Foggy Mountain Cookhouse. So that the dogs won't come to you. They won't come to you. They're inside the cage. Don't sit there. Oh, no. That's a table. There's a chair, oh. Ayan ba yan? Ano, yung mga mains kailangan pre-order. Pero yung mga we really love Foggy Mountain Cookhouse and we will continue dining there every time we're in Baguio and hanggang nag-serve pa sila ng food. It truly became part of our lives and walang halong bola. Kaya if you're ever in Baguio, try something new. Try Foggy Mountain Cookhouse. Malay mo.